Stop now. Leg off of me now, man. I want to that girl, man. Leg
Beat
off of
him
me
up.
now,
Tell
man.
him man him pick me. The pick me a 7 year old and they
Leg
never
off
buy
of
my
me. Let me
shoes.
wash the car.
I
and-
first
I'm
me I
come
see
to
this.
him today, I tell him saying for give me $2,200
I'm saying
to
me
buy
don't have
a suit
it.
for him. He might come tell me.
I'm
say,
saying me don't
at
have it.
Christmas,
Me don't have it.
he want a shoes
Me
and he
don't
want
have it.
a pants.
Me don't have it.
And if you put your hand for me one more time, I see
Ah, leg off of me. Leg off of me now, man.
take out the dead phone out of your
Leg
pocket.
off of me now, man. Leg off of me now, man. Fuck on exercise with your plate, man. Leg off of me now, man.
Yeah.
Exercise with your plate, man. Leg off of me now, man.
And you love it,
Leg off of me, man. Embarrassment, yeah. Watch your man. Leg off.
you know
Yo,
embarrassment?
leg off of me, man. Leg off of me.
You
Yo.
know embarrassment?
Boy, mind him right, you know.
Chop blood, please, man. Yo, leg off of me now, man. Come here, I beg you for leg off of me, man.
You know video me a beat him,
Embarrassment is a good one.
I'm not mind him pick me.
Leg off of me now,
Hey,
man.
me have a
His
show.
son a 7 year old and he never buy my shoes yet.
Leg off of me
And me
now,
come
man.
and tell him say at Christmas, the pitney want one pants
next
and
time
one
make you a
shoes.
great fan.
He might come tell me about
Yeah,
him and give me $500. $500 for
Yeah,
do
me
what?
now. Yeah, me now.
You are rare right now?
Okay, next time make this happen.
Maybe that will be the mess up. I can't wait till you later.
Me and him no live. I mean I let him go to tell him to
call
go to
him
the
over
food
later,
and give me
man.
the money.
Yeah.
Call him over later for do what?
Yeah.
Make sure they eat, make sure they eat.